Hello.
Hello.
What's your name, please?
My name is Chiến.
And how old are you, please?
I'm 11.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes.
What's your hobbies?
It's a play computer games. It's a play computer games.
Oh, what computer games do you play?
I play Roblox.
Roblox. Are you good at Roblox? Yeah? Okay. What's your nationality?
My nationality is a Vietnamese.
And your country, what's your nationality?
It's a Vietnamese.
Good boy. Do you have a favourite movie?
Yes.
What's the movie about?
The movie about horror.
Oh, horror movie. Do you not get scared?
No.
Oh, you're brave. Have you ever had a strange dream?
Yes.
What was the dream about?
The strange dream about I was going to the picnic with my family. But suddenly
I was going, or I
was going to
what's the past simple of go?
I went.
Went.
I went.
Went, good.
I went to the picnic with my family.
Okay.
Suddenly, the bear behind the tree singing, and the bear ran after me.
It must have been scary. Yeah. Do you have a superhero?
Yes.
Can you tell me about your superhero?
My superhero is Superman.
Superman. Okay. And what does Superman do?
Superman save the people and have a superpower.
What superpowers does he have?
He can spin laser eyes.
What? Laser from his eyes?
Yes.
Whoa. What other superheroes does he have? Superpowers does he have?
He can fly and he has a strong body.
Okay. That sounds like a good superhero. Well done. Right, okay. So tell me about what you did do yesterday. Anything that you did yesterday.
Yesterday I do my homework.
You do your homework?
Yes.
You do your homework?
Yes.
Okay. Right. What's this?
I think it's a butterfly.
Okay. You think or you know? You think?
Yes.
Or you know?
I think.
Okay. What about number two?
I call it a crocodile.
How does the crocodile make you feel?
The crocodile makes me feel scary and shocked.
Okay. Number three?
I think that is a black cat.
How does that make you feel?
Black cat makes me feel calm.
Make you feel?
Calm.
Again?
Make me feel scary and shocked again.
Okay. Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes.
Why?
Because I used to see the ghost.
You've seen a ghost?
Yes.
Tell me.
But I think it's fake.
Did you see it in real life or on movie?
Real life, but I think it's fake.
Tell me how we can reduce garbage that we produce.
We can recycle.
Good? Yeah? Anything else?
We can recycle and in plastic.
Ooh, what animal is this?
I think it's pen.
You think?
Yes, I don't know this pen, but my mom said it's pen.
Okay, so the giant panda. It's called a giant panda. Do you know what giant means? Giant means big. Big. You get some pandas that are very small, and this is the giant panda. Okay, can you describe the animal? So, if I've never seen a giant panda before, how would you describe it to me?
It has a 4 legs, black and white body,
Good.
big head, small nose, and small spine.
Small spine. Okay. Where's his spine? Where's your spine?
The mouth.
Oh, the small mouth.
Yes, I think.
What kind of food does it eat?
The panda.
Yeah, what's it eat?
They eat bubble.
Babu?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Right, we've got 2 events. I want you to invite me to one of the events. So have a look at them, okay? Choose one of them and invite me to one of them, please. So you can use this to help you, okay? I don't want you to use every single word. I want you to try and change it a little bit, okay? Yeah?
Oh, look at this. The school is organizing a clean-up campaign. Why don't we sit out?
Where's the clean-up campaign?
We clean out the planet.
Which one's the clean-up campaign?
Clean up West Beach.
Okay. Sure.
Sure, that sounds like a good
So
idea.
look at the names. So you're Anne, I will be Bob.
Yes.
Okay? We're not going to follow this, okay? Sure. That sounds like a good idea. Where is it?
This Saturday is September.
Again, don't follow this because I'm not doing this. I'm not following every single word. I said, where is it? Not when is it?
It's clean up beaches.
Where?
It's on Saturday, September.
I can't go, I'm afraid.
Never mind, and you go by myself.
Hang on, look. I'll finish work early. How about we meet at 10 a.m.?
We could ask Tim and Louis to join in too.
Okay, I'm sure I'd love to. Okay, well done, buddy.